Nilu. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. What about you?
Yes, I am also good. Actually, today it's been 2 days I was not feeling well. So, yeah, right now I'm doing well. So, that's why I thought of connecting to you.
Okay, yeah, I was waiting because I thought, okay, you must be some problem. You must have some problem. That's why you did not connect that moment. Okay. Right now you are well. You are feeling well.
Yes, I am okay.
Okay. And how has been your day?
It was quite as usual and normal. Not, I'll say that productive, but yes, normal.
Okay. As we are talking on my channel first time, so that's why please introduce yourself for my channel.
Okay. And thank you so much for giving me this opportunity and to have on your channel. It's my pleasure and honor. I am Nilu, connecting with you from Jharkhand, living in Dhanbad, and I'm full-time homemaker, blessed with one daughter. My qualification, I'm BCom graduate, and these days, yes, I upload videos on my YouTube channel. It is for me, for my improvement, and my channel name is English with Nilu Kumari. So this is all about me. My hobby is to connect with the people, to learn me more, and to enjoy. Yes,
Okay. When did you start your channel?
I started my channel 1 year ago. That time there was nothing like that YouTube or this or that. I had just uploaded for storage purpose, and it was just 9 video. In 2024 January, I had uploaded a 9 video that was related to Vedic math, shortcut calculation tricks, and it's going to be 3 months that I started uploading conversational videos. Yes.
Okay, first time whatever you posted, it was it was English content.
No, it was Vedic math content, calculation trick, shortcut calculation trick.
Okay, okay, it means different content you have already uploaded.
Yeah.
Now,
I
hmm,
just gave you example. Like, if you have to get a square of 25 or
okay,
35, the number ending with 5. So, how you can calculate it quickly? So, 35 square, it means that number multiply by itself. So 35 square, for that you have to take one bigger number, that is 4. So 4 into 3 you will get 12, and 5 square 25. So 25. So 4 into 3 1225. Your answer would be like this. So this is all about it. Yes.
you must have interest in mathematics also, right?
Yes, I have.
Okay. So why you didn't make a separate channel for your in mathematics content?
So there was nothing like it is just about the shortcut calculation tricks. In mathematics
Okay.
topic, not that much into that because I'm not teaching. So I don't think of our. I live in a Jharkhand where everybody prioritize math, specially. So like everybody knows and everybody is good in that math area. Like
Okay.
when in our area, you must be focusing that the people usually focus on the math side more.
Mm. But these days, each and every whatever you have knowledge, just you can post. And not only Jharkhand people watch your video, any other people also, everyone can watch your videos and they can take benefit. So that is why if you have interest such kind of topic, then you can do, I would say, along with your English channel, right? And how has been your English channel, like English content, whatever you post, like conversation video, how is going on?
It's going good. Like who watch, comment me well, and I don't
Mhm.
have much subscriber. It is just in the process. and
Okay.
whatever the channel is all about, but I have uploaded content which I use also personally sometimes, so this is useful for me.
Okay. For your spoken English, have you taken any classes
No ma'am,
before?
I haven't ever. Yeah, no.
So how did you learn this language? Whatever you got fluency in this time, you can speak English quite well. So how did you get your fluency? Any kind of help have you taken from others, or just before marriage you had interest in this language?
uh, Actually my 10th standard it was from Kasturba Gandhi, that is a
Mhm.
hostel, and my 11th 12th that I did from Surat, so this all were in Hindi medium. And when I
Okay.
talk my college, so yeah, college was in English medium. So whatever the struggle that I had to face, I was there, like for in terms of understanding English or sentences. So I was clear in that time. Because like I was very confused while using he or she in my college time. Okay, when I went to college at graduation, so that was it was that much difficult for me. So I got a help from my friends because I was helping them in statistics or account, and they were helping me in English. So in this way, they were like, and they were narrating the stories. They were helping me to answer the questions and giving me some words to make it easy to write my answer, to prepare my answer. So this way, the little bit of the practice which is required. So I had already. And after my marriage, 3.5 years, I started learning this language. It's going to be 7 to 8 months spoken English. So it was nothing like I had nothing in case of spoken English, but the hardship that we go through when we start first time. So I had already gone through. So so that's why I don't have to put much efforts. But yes, I tried. Okay, I tried and I jumped directly on the spoken part, and I started speaking. I didn't go through any grammar. I just started speaking from as fluency, and day by day I maintain it. And when I started my YouTube channel, since then I think I'm practicing a lot, and I put in a lot of efforts. I will not say that it is just happened in the like just 3 months, but I put in a lot of efforts for it.
Okay, that is great. So do you
Yeah.
live with your in-laws?
Yes, I live.
Okay. So along with your family, as you told, you live with your in-laws, and living with your in-laws and maintaining your household work and take care of your kid and family, along with your you have YouTube channel. So how do you manage any kind of problem your in-laws have, in-laws have about your channel when you make videos, and whenever they have time, whenever they want to do any work for from your side, but that moment if you make video, that kind of problem do you face in your day-to-day life, like making videos and maintaining your household work, both thing, how do you manage? Any kind of problem do you face?
Yes, sometimes it happens. It's an undemanded thing, and it happens usually. Like sometimes you get a call for do something or for do this or that. Especially for kids, especially they will call you, that okay, she needs this or that. Okay, you give. So sometimes, but I choose it very precisely that okay, the time that nobody could disturb me. So, and if somehow I find that okay, I tell them that okay, to take care of her, that I need 15 minutes, so they do it. But somehow if it is not manageable, if she is not like agreeing with them, sometimes it disturb me. But somehow I choose the time where I can make a video and nobody is there to disturb me. Yeah,
Hmm.
especially evening time at my in-laws, I usually choose like after 2 or between okay 5, okay 2 to between 5, so that I usually choose there.
Okay, in between you get free time, right?
Yes.
Okay. So what is your future? career plan? Like, after getting your fluency, what is your plan? Do you want to teach? Do you want to teach anybody for spoken English, or just you want to choose any other career along with your channel?
Yes, I want to teach, but right now it is about the students. So if you get, so yes, I would love to teach, and I would love to teach Vedic math as well with that, because it is must. Like women's, we especially struggle while it comes to calculation. It is not that we don't know, we know it, but because of the practice, because of the lot of things to handle or to carry for, to carry which we somehow sometimes we make ourselves slow in the process, or we like struggle to calculate the things immediately. So I can give trick to calculate them, even though it will take time, but they can calculate. Or if they are practicing it, so they can do it easily within a minute or second. But if even though See, I told her that you will not study, I will not give you chocolate. So she came and that I took a chocolate, I will not give you.
Oh, okay. Uh,
Yeah, she speaks a lot. Okay, so what I was talking, yeah, okay, about the calculation. So that's what okay, with this spoken English, I can help them to little bit of calculation as well, because it is very helpful and it is must, I feel so. It's must.
yeah.
Yes. If I get chance to teach somewhere, so definitely I will choose. But it should be something that is, it is not like okay, I'm getting a mercy. It's like it must be respectable something. So that kind of.
What about your English? Do you do you want to teach English subject as a language?
Okay, so like up to the 10th standard, I I can try and I will. After that, I don't think that I have that much literature, that, because book and English subject, it's something very different, and spoken English is something very different. So you
Hmm.
can teach, but you have to go through a lot of lessons, or you have to go through, okay, you have to learn so more and more. So I feel that for me, up to the 10th standard, I would be comfortable in teaching.
Okay, that's great. Any question for me? Because I kept asking so many questions about you. If you have any question for me, you can ask.
Okay, so let me know one thing, that what is your future plan?
Still, I'm getting confused about my plan because whatever I make, I'm searching job. Let's see. Uh, After 2 days, after a couple of days, it will be problem will be sorted out automatically because I'm searching. Recently, I would like to join anywhere in teaching line. Let's see, because I have already searched, but commitment is not final. That is why I'm waiting for result. Let's see. But if I talk about my channel, I will be with my channel and making videos and learning this language. It will be going on and forever. I'm not going to stop this learning this language and making videos because it will be with me. And but if I talk about my earning money, there is no certainty to earn money from YouTube. Like you are, if you are lucky, then you can earn money from YouTube, and your work hard is also required. But along with that, if I think about my career and earning money, then I'm thinking I have already searched my job. Let's see, but I'm not going to reveal in this time because unless I get a result. That's why after getting my result, then I will reveal what happened and I'm going to join or not. That's why it's on process.
Okay, ma'am. Great. And it was really amazing conversation with you. Thank you so much for giving me this amazing honor.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
And I was waiting uh, from since yesterday, but you were not feeling well. That's why I waited for a while. Okay. Right now you are feeling well and you joined me today and you gave me your precious time. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being on my channel and giving your precious time. And I would like to connect with you for next time. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Have a nice day.
Bye bye. Yeah,
Bye.
same here.